Hey guys, I just wanted to share my Ipsy and Sephora play with you, and yeah, I have to wear these because I can't read, and I like to be able to read you guys, the info. So this month, Ipsy, volume up. So here is my Ipsy bag, and we will just get started. Okay. The bag itself is very, very pretty this month. It's just gorgeous. They did a good job on this bag. Alright, the first thing I see is Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Recovery Cream Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Infuse deep, rich hydration. Feel skin, exhale what's tired. Inhale renewed promise energy. And it's for all skin types. You open it up and it's just like this. A little pull tab. The cream smells like a lot of typical face creams to me. It smells really good though, not anything gross or anything. And the directions are: apply to clean dry face, AM PM, smoothen up and out for the better. Yeah, I thought I read that wrong, but it's for the better results. Combine use with age correcting serum. So yeah, Dr. Lily Fan. Try that out. Got a, is it Vasanti lip gloss? It says Power Oils lip gloss, made in Canada. That's great. I love made in US or Canada products. Let's swatch this. And it's gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous. Alright. If I could see, I would tell you the name. But I don't even think they have a name on this one. Oh, shade Supermom. Oh yeah. That's a nice name for a lip gloss. Supermom. Alright, I have this. I've never been able to say this. I think it's Doucey though, or D-O-U-C-C-E, Doucey, something like that. It's called Max Lash Volumizer Mascara, and this fan is killing my hair. I have to have it on. I have the AC on, but it don't seem to be doing its job tonight. There is the wand. It's very neat looking. I always love new mascaras, so that's great. Another nail polish, Trust Fund Beauty. Oh, this is really pretty. I think it's called What's a Budget. And this is, I am filming on my iPad, so it don't really autofocus, I don't think. But it's What's a Budget. And it is really, really pretty. I'm happy with that. Alright, and the last product is Balm Springs Long Wearing Blush for hot days and warm nights. They have sent me so many of these, and I don't really wear blush like I should, but I don't. So like that, if you can see that color. It's a real pretty color. It's just I don't wear blush. It's right there. I love the packaging though. They always do neat looking packaging. And that is all for my Ipsy bag. Now we will move on to the Sephora play. Here is the Sephora play. Here's the little pamphlet poster thingy. I switch them out every month up on my board up here. Sure you've seen it in the past. So I'll take the old one down and put up the new one because I do refer to these through the month to read about the product and learn how to use it and stuff. So the little bag this month is a cloth one, drawstring like, and it has some swimmers on it, and it says in a summer state of mind. Hashtag Sephora play. That's very cute. I love that. Alright. The first thing I see is Laboratories Chlorine dry shampoo with oat milk, gentle formula, all hair types, cleanse hair without water. It's a dry shampoo. It'd be interesting to see what it smells like. I've been using the Dove one and I really like it. It not only makes my hair look clean, but I have very fine hair, and it will put some body into it. That one smells light. It also smells like something I've smelled in the past in my childhood maybe or something. Let me read you guys the info about the dry shampoo. Alright. Up in the hair, chlorine, dry shampoo with oat milk. Cult favorite, dry shampoo made with oat milk absorbs excess oil and adds volume for soft, refreshed hair. There's a reason this award-winning dry shampoo is a beauty industry legend. Want to refresh your locks after a long day? Need to add volume and texture? Just want to save water and skip the shower? This will do all... Oh my God, you guys. This will do all of the above. How to apply: shake well and hold bottle about 10 inches away or at arm's length from your head before spraying into the roots. Use your hands to shake out hair and evenly distribute. So yeah, that is the info on the dry shampoo. Okay, now we can move on to the next thing. I got Benefit the Professional. Okay. Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. Apply this silky, oil-free formula to minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. To use under makeup, apply to moisturize skin to help makeup stay put. To use over makeup, pat on lightly over makeup and blend. As far as I can see, it's a little tube, yes. Very cute. I love the packaging on a lot of these products. It's just cute. Alright. I already read you a bit on that product, but we will read the poster here. It's all Pore You. Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. Silky lightweight face primer minimizes pores and smooths skin for a flawless, soft focus finish. This weightless face primer blurs pores, imperfections, and fine lines for the perfect... Oh my hair. Oh my God. Alright. Let's see if we can figure out where we left off. This weightless face primer blurs pores, imperfections, and fine lines for the perfect natural yet flawless look. It will also keep makeup in place no matter how much you sweat this summer. Using your ring finger, smooth a pea-sized amount as the first step in your makeup routine, or wear it alone. So yeah. This right here is got to go. Alright, the next thing is Versace Bright Crystal Natural Spray. Okay, here's the notes. I will read it to you. Iced Accord, Peony, Acajou or something like that, Musk, Vegetal Amber, Lotus Flower, Magnolia, Pomegranate, and Yuzu. And you get in this sample a little spray, and that's so good. It smells so good. I'll keep this one. So yep, that's it. I will read the pamphlet for you. The Bright Way Versace Bright Crystal. A fresh floral fragrance featuring a sparkling blend of yuzu, magnolia, and lotus, plus a hint of musk and amber. Versace is an Italian fashion line founded in 1978 by Gianni Versace. Known for its bright colors and prints, the brand has been worn by rock stars and royalty alike throughout the years. Fragrance family: fresh. Top notes: yuzu and pomegranate. Middle notes: lotus flower, magnolia. And the base notes are amber and musk. So yeah. That's probably dirty expensive, so I will probably never have it. Okay, the next product is by Coola. It is a makeup setting spray, green tea, and aloe, broad spectrum, SPF 30, organic sun care plus hyaluronic acid. Okay, and that's it. It's a pretty good size sample, and I'll read you the information. Alright. Jump in the cool. Coola makeup setting spray, SPF 30, weightless, do-it-all setting mist, keeps makeup looking fresh, reduces the appearance of pores, and provides SPF 30 sun protection. Say goodbye to greasy sunscreens. This superfine mist will protect your sensitive skin from summer sun and lock makeup in place. Bonus points: it contains aloe vera and cucumber extract to soothe skin and calm irritation caused by sun exposure. How to apply: shake the bottle well before using. Hold the spray 10 to 12 inches from your face and apply evenly. Reapply every 2 hours for maximum sun protection. So yeah, what's about that? I'm trying to keep from getting this on the little bag, so keep remembering. Alright, the next thing is Verb Sea Spray. Wind swept waves plus light dry texture. It's a very generous sample. It is like 2.4 fluid ounces. So yeah, that'll do all summer. Alright, See and Be Seen Verb Sea Spray. This sea salt infused hair mist contains hydrating seaweed and kelp extract to add texture and volume for loose waves. For effortless mermaid hair, this refreshing lightweight sea salt spray gives locks the perfect amount of windswept texture. It also conditions strands with quinoa protein while protecting with antioxidant-rich green tea extract. How to apply. Hold 6 inches away from head and spray and scrunch into dry hair. Apply before blow drying for a voluminous look. That'll be good for me because I always need body in my hair. It's so fine. And I think for everybody, I can't say for everybody, but a lot of people, this was the showstopper in this particular bag. Like, if I'm not mistaken, I think everybody got one of these, but they are different colors. The color I got is Lovesick. It's a very pretty color. It's the Kat Von D. I love her products. I love her packaging. Everything about them is beautiful. Look at that. I have never in my life owned a Kat Von D product because number one, I can't afford it, and number two, I can't afford it. Alright, I'm going to put it beside the other one. This is the Kat Von D, and it is gorgeous. It's very pretty. It's kind of similar to my own lip color, but yeah, that is the whole Sephora bag and Ipsy bags. If you have any questions or want a review on any of these products, just comment or message me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video if you want to, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Improve elasticity. Elasticity.